Hey, what's going on, people? We are back again, and we are cracking open Fast and Furious 5-pack today on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
If you like watching our cracking open videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications when we upload new videos, so you're updated on the spot.
Right. So, this is a 5-pack, a multi-pack. It is also usable for the Target mail-in car. Cool. So that's why I bought it. I'm going to use it as a Target mail-in. So I got to pull off that barcode. But let's take a look at these models. Some of these are repeats, and it's kind of disappointing that Mattel did the repeat after they released the premium.
I think we should add in as a safety factor. When you guys buy these multi-packs, make sure you check the vehicles. Because you got people going around, they'll buy it, pull out the vehicles they like, and substitute it with crappy vehicles.
Yep.
So if you're new to the hobby and you don't know what's going on, you got to be aware of what you're buying. Because a lot of the times, the stores, they don't know. And when people replace them, all they see is 5 vehicles. But 5 vehicles might not be the correct 5. So always double check your multi-packs when you buy them. Because you got douchebags out there that do that kind of stuff, and if you're new, you're gonna get bit, and it's not fun, pal. So,
right.
Figure I'd let you guys know about that. So, all right, let's get on with it now.
Okay, so up first, we have
that's the Impala, right? Yeah.
Okay, so this Impala is also, I think it's also in the.
That's a nice Impala.
Individual set. The Walmart exclusive set also has the same one, which is kind of odd. And I do have that complete set. We'll do that opening
That's actually simple color.
Yep.
With just a simple, stripe, and it works, bro.
Yep. I like it. It's, it's not, it's not bam. There's hot all over it. It's what the car really.
That's something like. Somebody real going to drive. Not too much guys going to drive that with all that crap on top. Well, maybe I shouldn't have said that because I used to do that.
Well, if Hot Wheels was to do a lifted version, like a rally version,
then that would be good. If you were sponsored in, but if you just like cruising and nobody's sponsoring you, why advertise them for free?
But this one looks good like this.
Yeah.
I mean, do you have your? This is a stock version, or what would be close to stock version that some stock collectors like.
It'd be nice if all you gotta do is we'll swap that out with some real riders.
That'll look good.
Hell yeah.
Must be a super.
Okay, so again, what is our videos without dropping the vehicles, right? All right, that's what makes us original, bro.
Isn't Talladega main drop and okay?
I think so. We don't cut stuff out except my swearing.
So this is another one. Look, plain pinstripe. Well, not really a pinstripe, but just a stripe.
Yeah.
They were able to do just a plain nice green with the stripe. I like it a lot.
That's the one the bad guy had, the so-called bad guy, right? The villain in the movie.
I can't remember the movies. There's so much of them, right? And now they're supposed to be international spies.
Yeah, international superstars. I think they're comic book heroes now, but with Cobra.
Yeah. So the next one is the Corvette.
Yeah.
Roadster, right?
Roadster. Without the there is a roll bar. Okay.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
I was gonna kind of say like. Okay, you flip over. It's basically you better hope your neck's strong enough.
And I think this was a super earlier this year.
Yeah.
It's the 3rd of this year. So I do have that one. We can do an opening with that. They did the tail lights. That's nice.
Yep. And put some big rims on there too, but probably only 22s on there.
The only disappointing part of the set is, of course, they released this one after the premium came out.
Yeah.
Right?
And look exactly.
It's exactly the same. Did we open that set?
Yeah.
I gotta go find it.
I think we did, yeah.
We'll go pull it out for the.
But it looks like the exact same one, and I'm just laughing, and it's like hella cheaper too.
Yeah. And,
for the amount you could have bought that for, you could buy the whole 5-pack.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, in Hawaii.
Yeah. Well, no, it's the same. And then this one too.
Well,
This
that's just aching for a paint job, dude.
In quarter mile. They do have this very same one in
Yep.
premium. But it's the one per case, so it becomes a quasi chase one.
But that right there, that's just aching for a cherry ass paint job.
Oh, yeah. And it looks nice though.
No, it looks good like that. It looks good, but you know, I gotta have. Yeah. I can't roll with gray Prima or gray flat gray or whatever.
Yeah.
Not me. Right. I mean, other people like it, and I'm not knocking it. It's a simple stealthy look. It kind of, if you want to go like low profile like that, you don't want all the flash and all that. Yeah, you don't want to be loud.
This one is not lowered.
No, it's not lowered.
But yeah, this is not primer gray. This is flat gray.
Yeah, it's actually flat gray.
The premium
or
is
satin gray. Yeah.
Satin gray.
Yeah.
The premium is the flat.
Yeah.
Primer gray.
Yeah.
I don't have that set yet, so once we do, we'll go pull these out so we can look at it.
Yep.
So but that is your Fast and Furious 5-pack.
All right, so don't forget to like and share our videos with everybody you know on every continent and every universe, even aliens that we've never heard about, okay? Yeah. We thank you, mucho mahalos for that. We are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.
Okie doke. New viewers, thanks for tuning in and checking us out. We really do appreciate it. May you live long and prosper. And don't forget to check out the end screens where you see links to our previous videos, a video YouTube thinks you'll like, and one we think you should watch, okay? So put some glue on your collar, stick around. We got more stuff coming up. Thanks,